In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Dropbox referral link quickly and get additional free Dropbox space. If you're looking to make the most of your Dropbox account and unlock a bit more storage without the cost, then you're in the right place. And don't worry, this process is straightforward and should take you just about 5 minutes. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Dropbox account. Head over to your preferred web browser, type in dropbox.com, and hit enter. Once the page loads, you'll see the login option on the top right corner. Enter your email and password, or if you already have Dropbox open via an app on your device, you can double-click directly to access your account. If you have two-step authentication set up, which we highly recommend for security purposes, make sure to verify that as well. After logging in, you'll be on your Dropbox homepage. Now, look towards the top right-hand corner of the page. You should see your profile avatar. Go ahead and click on it. Once you do, a drop-down menu will appear. From the options provided, you'll want to select Settings. This will redirect you to the Settings page of your Dropbox account, where you'll manage various account configurations. Now that you're on the Settings page, direct your attention to the row of tabs that delineate different settings sections. Among these, you'll find a tab labeled Refer a Friend. Click on this tab to open it. This section is where Dropbox provides promotional opportunities to increase your storage space by inviting others to join the platform. Once you're in the Refer a Friend section, you'll be greeted with an easy-to-spot heading that displays your unique referral link. It's usually right at the top of the page. This link is your ticket to earning extra space. By sharing it with friends, family, or anyone you know who might benefit from Dropbox, you increase your chances of gaining additional space once they sign up and become active users. A few tips here to make the most of your referral link. Consider sharing it via email or on your social media platforms where your audience is more likely to see it. Whenever someone uses your link to join and successfully sets up their account, you both get extra space added, which is a win-win situation. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully located your Dropbox referral link, and you're now equipped to share it and start racking up those extra gigabytes. Remember to check back on this section periodically to see how many referrals have been completed. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing!